To add a blog to a Wix website, you need to come across to the menu icons on the left-hand side of the page and select the blog icon, which is the one labelled My Blog. Click the Add Now button and this will launch the Blog Manager. From here you have the option to create a post and to manage posts. When you click on Create a Post, you get a blank blog page into which you can add a title and text and import any content you want to add, like images, video and audio files. If you click on Manage Posts, you will see a list of the blog posts that you have created. When you create a new blog, a page called Blog is added to your site, and you can manage the appearance of this page from the Blog Pages tab. Add Blog Elements allows you to add different blog elements to other web pages. So you can set up, for example, a custom feed from one of your blog categories, or show the 3 most recent posts, so that you can showcase your blog around your website and hopefully attract more readers. Finally, the Learn More button provides links to the Wix help files, which give you more information about setting up and publishing your blog.